Listen, I'm going to be completely honest. I'm tired of seeing business owners get brainwashed into thinking they need viral videos to make money on YouTube. That's the fastest way to go broke. So if you want to stop this post and pray strategy and actually build a business channel that brings leads and sales in day and night, then stop acting like an influencer and start acting like a business owner. Today in this video, I'm going to break down the best YouTube strategy to skyrocket your business to a 100K per month channel. So let's get into it. Right, so here is the 100K per month strategy plan for YouTube. So we're trying to get 100K per month with our business channel. This is how we're going to do it. We're going to post 4 videos per month. This is real simple. We don't need 6, 8 videos. We want to try and keep it simple because consistency is key to YouTube. We're going to be posting content that reaches a new audience. This is going to be through top of funnel here. Then we're also going to be trying to convert those people from top of funnel. So these are going to be converted to the middle funnel here. And then eventually we're going to try and push them through middle funnel to the bottom of the funnel. And then to book a call, to buy our product, whatever that might be. So for top of the funnel videos, we're going to be making browse-based content. We're going to be posting 2 of these per month. These are to get more eyes on the prize, which is your brand. We're trying to cast a massive wide net to get as many people as possible within reason. We don't want just random views because that's just pointless. We want to make sure we're still targeting the right people. It's going to be more centralized. It's going to be more edited content because we're trying to hook people in more. We're trying to get them engaged. We're trying to showcase to them that, we know what we're talking about. Our production quality is good. It's entertaining to watch our videos in a way. We don't want to be an entertainment channel, but we still want to have content which is visually engaging and easy to watch on the eye. And I'll get more into like what kind of videos these will be in a minute. But first, let's just cover the overall funnel. Then in the middle of the funnel, this is still casting your net to get, as many people on your channel and watching your channel as possible. But there's a difference here. We're trying to convert the new audience. So let's just say, for example, new audience is like sitting in here. And then we're trying to push them down. We're trying to push them down into here. They're watching your content. They think, oh my God, this guy's an expert. And eventually they're going to become a diehard fan. That's the main goal here. We're trying to position you as the expert in your niche, which I'm sure you are. And then we want you to solve as many problems as possible for this new audience, which is on the channel, right? So in here, you're going to be solving problems for people. Here, you're just trying to get their attention, right? And then as you come down to the bottom of the funnel, here, you're going to funnel them down even further, okay? This is going to be case study videos, client interviews. This is going to be the final push to get someone from viewer to potentially buyer, right? You're going to be using social proof on here. These are going to be case studies, client interviews, because people are funny, right? If they see someone else getting results, and if that person is similar or in the same kind of niche as them, they need to see it with their own eyes that your product works. The more social proof they see, people are like sheep. They'll just follow them. They'll just follow them over the journey, wherever they're going, and they'll be more likely to buy from that person. It's funny how that works. Like the more social proof you got, the more money you'll make. So bottom of the funnel is super important here. Middle of the funnel is even more important in a way because we need you to be actively solving people's problems. Without that, this whole system doesn't work. So the main goal, top of funnel, get people in, filter them through. Middle of funnel, prove to them that you're actually solving a problem for them. You're an expert. Bottom of the funnel, seeing is believing. Bottom of the funnel, seeing is believing, right? They need to see that you've helped people. Not saying that if you don't have case studies or whatever, that this funnel wouldn't work. It would. It's just easier if you have it this way. So we've done top of funnel here. Middle of the funnel, more search-based content, very keyword heavy on the titles and in the descriptions because we're trying to rank on the search engine. We want to make the most of the titles. We want to make sure that the overall packaging of the videos is very good, like the thumbnails match the title. And we want to be making the use of how-to based videos, like searchable videos, which people are actively searching for on the YouTube search engine, right? So people will be searching for like how to get to 10K per month, how to get to 10K followers on Instagram, how to get six-pack abs, stuff like that. People are actually searching for this every single day. So your job is to make videos based on all of these problems which your audience faces. And not only that, you want to try and make sure you rank high so you're not buried beneath everyone else's videos. Because it's very competitive, I'm not going to lie. But if you can figure a way to rank to the top, then you're going to do very well on YouTube. These are going to be slightly less edited than the top of the funnel videos. But don't get me wrong, they're still going to have good editing. They're still going to have good production quality on them, but they're not going to be as edited, okay? So we're going to post one video of these per month. Okay, so we got 2 top of funnel, we got 1 middle of funnel. Then we're going to post 1 bottom of the funnel. And these are going to be client interviews, case study videos, testimonials, anything like that. We're going to post one of these. Best part about these is obviously social proof, which I've gone over. But the best part is they're cheap to make. Cheap and fast. Okay, so for example, you had a lot of case studies and you reach out to every single person you've worked with, whether that's people that you actively work with right now or old clients. And if you've got like good results from them, obviously, that's important. Reach out to them, set up a Zoom meeting, a Riverside meeting, get as many as possible, get them booked into your calendar, maybe organize them all on the same day. So maybe you can book 3 to 5 client interviews and you got yourself 3 to 5 videos there. Super simple to make. And like I said, cheap to make as well. And if you want an actual SOP on the 10 best questions to interview your clients for the best case study videos, check the description down below and you can have that. So that covers everything. So at the top of the funnel, it's going to be cold audience. And as you can see, moving down here is going to be warm. So as they watch more of your content, you've solved more problems here. Well, first of all, you've attracted them here. Then you've solved the problems here. And then as they come down to the bottom here, you're actively showing them that you know what you're doing. You've helped other people. As you can see, this very powerful system. And with the power of just 4 videos per month, it's amazing. So let's get into a couple of different ideas that you can actually make for your channel right now. So this is the top of funnel. This is the browse-based content to get more eyes on the prize. This is stuff that the actual algorithms pushed out onto my main feed. It's thinking I'm interested in these. So let's just say, for example, 10 offer secrets that made me 10 million over and over again. This was Jason Fladlian. See, I would never search this. It's a weird title to search. But as you can see, YouTube has pushed it onto my main feed, right? So it thinks I'm interested in that. That's the power of the top of the funnel videos. And one from Jack Hopkins, The Truth About My Fight. I would never search that. It's a very weird title to search. But if you saw that pop up, you'd kind of be interested in clicking that. It's a bit of curiosity on there as well, which is cool. That's how they're going to filter through, get new people on their brand watching their stuff, potentially new subscribers. Then we got middle of the funnel based content. This should be middle, not top. Google owns YouTube and it's the second largest search engine in the world. So we need to utilize this and make the most of it in every way possible. I've typed in on here, how to grow on Instagram. And as you can see here, look at all these videos. These are search-based videos, 300K views, 57K views, 1.5 million views. This looks more like top of funnel, like the kind of views you'd get from top of funnel videos, which is insane. This goes to show how important it is to maximize your SEO. If you optimize your SEO, get the correct packaging on your videos here, there's no reason why you can't go viral with these kind of videos too. If you can go viral with a how-to video, you're definitely going to see a lot of success with your business and on YouTube in general. As you can see also here, Callaway, how to create irresistible hooks. Hooks are kind of a niche topic, really. The only people that kind of like interested in hooks, copywriters, content creators. So it's kind of like, in a way, it's a little bit more niche down, but the videos, it's got 570K views. Because it's also more about storytelling as well. It says storytelling masterclass here. So maybe that was the reason. But there's a lot of good videos here on hooks that are pulling in a lot of views. And also, what else have we got here? 7 best AI tools you need to try in 2025. So as you can see, this video, almost 600K views, is absolutely insane. So AI is a hot topic. If you can figure a way to include that in your videos, you're going to get a lot more views. And then as we come to the bottom of the funnel here, William Brown, he's just posting testimonials on his channel. Absolutely no editing. He literally just posts testimonials on this one channel. It's a separate channel. I would recommend having your client interviews, testimonials on the same channel, especially if your channel is more small. There's no reason why you should make separate ones, especially if you've got a beginner's channel. So, like I said, the goal is to convert your current audience and showcase that you are the best to work with. Social proof is king, as we remember. So, William Brown makes 500K per month from his YouTube, and it's his second channel for his testimonials. But, like I said, you can have them on your main channel. So, this is Ethan here. He's getting around 12 to 28 views on his client interviews. Okay. And you might be thinking that's pretty bad. But I know he sells a high ticket program. And I can't remember if it's like 6K or 10K. But if one or two of these people books a call from these 30, 40 views from both these videos, one person buys his product, he's just made 10K from two videos here, which probably cost a couple $100 to make. Pretty insane and super easy and very good for his time investment on them. So yeah, that's the actual bottom of the funnel case studies. It's the easiest to make. So make sure you organize and get those client interviews fast as possible. It's going to be the best return on investment for your business. And then also the whole secret of this whole video, which I've kept till last, is going to be the Trojan video. What is the Trojan video? So this is a silent VSL on your YouTube channel. It's going to be pinned to your home. It's going to be around 60 minutes long. You can go higher. I've seen people do 6 hours, 10 hours, but 60 minutes is good. If you can do more, do more. Just make it as long as it needs to be. There's no point like adding fluff on the video for no reason. So once you've done that, you've made your video. It's going to be a free course video, by the way. It's going to be packed with so much value. It's going to leave the prospect with wow factor. They can't believe it's free, in other words. People can't believe that your free stuff is so good. I wonder what his paid stuff is like. That's the reaction you want from people, right? That's what we're aiming for. But the other secret little weapon here is, let's just imagine these little circles of videos. Okay? These are all videos right here. We're going to use CTAs to loop them and push them back to this free course video, the Trojan video. Every single video, we're going to use a CTA and we're going to push them to the Trojan video. And over time, this video is going to grow stronger and stronger. It's going to get bigger. It's going to get more views. The algorithm's going to push it potentially onto the top of funnel search-based feed. It's going to rank on there, like as we've shown you here. Potentially, this free course video is going to land here. This is exactly what we want, right? This is exactly what we want. It's going to land here. So the more people that watch it, the more new views it's getting. YouTube's going to have no choice but to eventually push it out, especially if the free course video is good. It's going to push it out there. So as long as we're consistent with posting the 4 videos per month and we're using CTAs to push them back to that Trojan video, there's absolutely no reason why you're not going to be booking calls on here. There's no reason why you're not going to be booking 10 to 30 calls from this one video per month. There's absolutely no reason. And if you're selling a high ticket program or product, there's no reason why you can't get to 100K per month from the YouTube channel. Look, Will Brown, he's making 500K per month from his YouTube channel. Just imagine if you had your stuff dialed in. I know he just posts raw content. Just imagine if you had your content dialed in, top of funnel, funneling people through to middle of funnel, to bottom of funnel, and also pushing them to your Trojan video. There's absolutely no reason why you can't do this. So if you want this whole system dialed in for you, where you only have to spend 2 to 4 hours per month actually recording the content, where we come up with the ideas, the scripting, the editing, the thumbnails, the SEO, and we'll even post the video for you. It's the whole A to Z package. If you want this all done for you, so you can focus on actually growing your business rather than coming up with ideas and scripting videos and even editing. If you're editing your videos as a business owner, you're pretty much wasting your time there. You want to be focused on actually growing your business. So if you want this done for you, check the link down below. Absolutely no worries if not. And if you got some value from this, just make sure you like and subscribe. And I'll try my best to keep posting more of these. See you later.